You have seen this book, the biography of that lexicographer from England. It's a very unusual book. I forget what its name is. But you are also you are also a very unusual lexicographer.
What is the?
तुझे dictionary कितले झाले?
4.
Including the super fat one of 3,000 plus pages.
Yeah.
So which are the 4 of yours, Damu?
First was Konkani English,
Which year?
1999,
With Thali,
with Mukesh Thali.
Mukesh Thali.
And Suresh Borkar was our guide.
Guide. Suresh Borkar कौन?
Suresh Jaivan Borkar.
I see. I'm Kenna
From Borkar. You will not meet him.
Senior person.
Yeah, 83.
83.
He is in a cocoon.
Okay. Mukesh Thali is of course our radio announcer and prominent. Magir. दूसरा.
The 4 dictionaries I made. First compilation, then edition, compilation, edition. असं झालं.
The first is English.
Konkani
English.
Second was compiled by Prakash Thali. And that was English Konkani.
Name.
English Konkani.
English Konkani.
Yeah. All are by Rajons.
All are published by Rajons.
That was 2003. 2003 to 2009, 6 years. It took me for 2,200 pages, heavy, full Konkani.
We have photos of it online on other YouTube channels.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That was full Konkani.
2,300 pages.
With the grammar pages in between. And the 4th latest was this February 2022. That was Marathi.
2022 तो
Yeah.
पोंगना मरे आवेन. तो पोंगना अजून
Okay.
होईल.
Okay.
It's officially released.
Yeah.
Yes.
Officially released.
बरं. What gives you so much umed, enthusiasm to do dictionaries? It's a hard
Madness.
job.
It is madness.
So that the guy I was telling you about was a bit of a strange guy also. You have to be extreme and you have to be very unusual. I'll find that book and give
Yes,
you the name
yes,
of
yes.
it. But why is it madness?
I don't know. Love for language.
But it's
Actually, I am a science student.
chemistry or.
Chemistry.
But it's a tough job, no? Putting together a dictionary.
We have to refer to many things. And
It's an important job. Very.
important means?
For the future of the language.
Yeah, certainly. In today's world, it's an important job. And a project like this,
So
they are using. Yeah, they are using my dictionary. My dictionary has been used in the court.
Really?
Judge.
In what context?
The judge asked something.
I see.
So the lawyer, who happens to be Mukesh Thali's brother,
Okay.
he just took out the dictionary and showed it. Oh, is it given in the dictionary? No, it's okay.
What is the state of Konkani dictionaries today as of now?
These are the 4 available
Yeah.
in the market.
In the market.
Gurunath
Kerkar, Bangalore published.
Yes, Focus publisher.
Focus.
We don't know the marketing policy of that company.
It may not be available because it
It
was
is not
published in the
available
80s.
also. Yeah.
I have a copy in my collection.
I
found it.
refer to Dalgad. That is what I would want to tell you.
Online or in print? Online is also available, huh?
He passed away
Yeah.
100 years before my birth. So
22.
But Dalgad remains important. Dalgad म्हणजे कोंकणी इंग्लिश, कोंकणी देवनागरी, इंग्लिश नाही, सॉरी, कोंकणी पुर्तुगेज जी डिक्शनरी केली ती आमकां
बऱ्याक पडटा.
आदाराक पडली.
आदाराक
आनी
पडली.
मागीर ताणें दियाबेत जावन पुर्तुगालाक पांय कापिल्ले आसतना
वय.
पुर्तुगेज कोंकणी केली.
सारखे.
Portuguese Konkani.
So he is there. The good thing is that his dictionaries are available online also because they are copyright expired.
Oh.
On archive.org if you go and you just search for Sebastian Dalgard, full me out तुका थंयसर.
Oh.
And some of his other books also. कित्याक they are सगळे copyright expired. He died in 1922.
22, correct.
So exactly 100 years back almost.
Yes, yes.
Ani, what do you think the language needs now? Apart from dictionaries,
Language needs this program.
Otherwise,
the language will die.
You're saying it needs
It should be in
artificial
digital
intelligence.
form.
Yeah.
And available to people.
AI created by AI knowledge.
Yes, yes,
created by
absolutely.
AI. Translation, automated
Absolutely.
translation. Plus OCR.
Automatic translation also has its defects.
Yeah.
In the sense that there are many funny things happening on Google Translate.
Yeah. Really funny.
Yeah.
Funny in every sense
I'll
of
give
the
you
word.
just one example.
Yeah.
One of my friends, younger friends, my student, in fact, he put his beautiful photograph, handsome looking. So I said, Noronha. So
He went to search.
the Google does not know either Noro or Mare.
I see.
Mare is an expression in
Yeah.
Konkani.
And Noro means a bridegroom.
No, bridegroom,
Handsome.
So after that post, after that comment, I just went away, shut the Facebook, and after about one day,
Bopolli.
somebody said, "Are Ghanekar, you just go to that and see Google Translate Mar." When I clicked the button, it was Noro dead. Mare in Marathi is dead. So this is the type of confusion that can be created. So even after Google translation or even after this kind of translation, what is needed is human intelligence. Artificial intelligence will help.
It's the base. But
90%.
Yeah.
But human intelligence should be there. That is.
Damu, last question.
Yes.
Tell us about your history. I know you told us you're a chemistry student.
Yeah.
Then you played a big role in the newspapers Suna Prant and Bangarbui.
Yeah.
Mashe sang, Todkyan sang.
Before that, before Sunapran started, Sunapran started as the first Konkani full
1986 or 87. Yeah, broadsheet.
Yeah, broadsheet. 1987.
Sunita Dempe and all our friends.
Yes.
All our friends.
But before that, there was a 555-day agitation, which our own government did not want Konkani to be recognized as an official language.
85 to 87.
So
85 to 87.
Yes. 85 August to 87 February.
Okay.
So we had to struggle.
So that was your starting point? In Konkani, or before that you had an interest in the language
no,
also?
before that also.
Kine book collect kotalo, vastalo?
Hi, astalo.
Hoy.
I was writing small things. But I hadn't learned grammar. Grammar came in 1986. Suresh Borkar's grammar. He's my guru. He's my
Was it easy
guide.
to pick up, considering that you have not studied Konkani at the academic level? You have never studied?
Never sitting on a bench.
I see.
I studied the language sitting at the guru's feet. And I harassed him.
Suresh Borkar.
Yeah. But he was happy.
Was it easy to pick up?
Yeah.
So our generation,
For me it was very easy.
For you it was. Because you were speaking
have
it.
the hunger for knowledge.
And plus you were speaking it also. And plus the interest. You were speaking Gara Boj. I
can speak English also. I can speak
Portuguese?
Portuguese, yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
To a certain
So
extent.
tell us then in Sunaprant Magid sub-editor Munan join Zallo.
Chief sub-editor.
Chief sub-editor.
Under I worked for 3 years.
Under Uday Bembre.
Chandrakant Keni first. Then Uday Bab.
Magid?
Then I left.
Which year?
Because my 90. 3 years I worked.
Okay.
Because my parents had grown old.
Okay.
Then now, in 2016, it was the turn of a new newspaper, Bangarbui. There I joined as assistant editor. Then due to some conflict,
whatever that happens.
I left.
Yeah.
But they called me again as editor. And I took up the responsibility for 2 years. And I edited the paper well to my satisfaction. You have to be satisfied just writing
for the
editor.
sake of
You have to check the news and everything.
It's a tough job, no?
Because our people do not understand the basic grammar. Now you see so many errors. Paula Konkani tuka chuki dishto.
At every footstep. But is Konkani journalism tougher than other journalism because it's a smaller language or
not
whatever?
smaller because people have not studied it.
They have not formally studied
I can train people, but nobody is ready to accept. This is the situation today.
3 main challenges before Konkani today.
Now, people are not ready to say learn.
Formally, informally.
This is the informal, formally, whatever. Formally, yes, they go to school, but grammar is not taught exactly. That is the crux of the matter.
Damu, you also hold coaching classes now in Konkani?
Yeah. No, I was the official trainer in official language. but the government no funds for this, funds for bridges and everything else.
Is there an interest to learn Konkani? Are the courses sufficient, insufficient तुझे मुन्नी कितें?
म्हणजे कितें? Which courses?
इनफॉर्मल ऑनलायन कोर्सेस आसा काय जाय गरजेचे
आसा, कितें तरी
आसा?
आसा दिसता.
बारीक थोडे
I
सारीक
don't
कितें
know.
आहा? चड ना न्ही? चड ना.
And online is online. Practically,
You think it's better?
The teacher standing before you is
Many
writing on the board.
researchers have learned before you.
Yeah.
I know. Okay. Thank you
Okay,
so much.
yes, yes,
Catching you
yes,
unaware.
yes,
Thank you
yes,
so
yes.
much.